nandito ko na sa mundong ito, laging yung sinasabi ko, humility. Kasi wala kang mararating kung wala ka. Yun ang magdadala sa'yo kung saan mo gusto makarating. Always remember that.
Chris and Busy Thursday. I-celebrate natin ang kaarawan ni Darren through music.
Darating na ako.
He can own the song.
Makikiparty rin sina Jen Madela, Kay Brosas at El Daza. At syempre, ang pinakamalapit sa puso ni Darren, ang kanyang family.
He's not just a fantastic singer, he's a total performer. Get ready for Darren Espanto, the birthday concert with special guests Mitoyan Team and Jason D. Also featuring Alisa Bonaobra and Robbie Domingo. Get your tickets now.
Bang into the room. I know you want it. Bang, bang all over you. I let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute,
Nagsesepo na.
a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Lang siya sa lahat ng pagsubok na pagdadaanan niya. Kasi yung pinasok niyang mundo hindi naman po madali. So I just keep telling him na just be brave and just think na palagi lang po kaming nandito para supportahan siya. And anyway,
Thank you for being so supportive always and for making all the sacrifices for me para lang po matupad po yung pangarap ko po and for call 427-2222 at SM Tickets or go to smtickets.com. That's for the birthday concert happening on May 29 na po at the MOA Arena. Sana po pumunta po kayo. And of course with special guest Bimbi, Kuya Robbie.
Darren, well, my mom found it in a book of baby names. And then Lyndon is my dad's name.
So, saan ang galing nga si Darren kaya?
Darren is from...
What does it mean?
It means great po. Yeah.
Wow.